This is a Sumasa hydraulic installed by Eletech at Spotlight in North Lakes. And the LCD is dead. What a surprise. These are going to say persons. This is the DDA panel. Very cheap Intel. The positioning system is just a piece of metal. It's it. Very simple. Tells us Sumasa because of these vents. The doors. Fermator doors.